Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play Cult of the Lamb on your Android smartphone. So in order to do this, you will need to download the game. You can use the demo version for that. I downloaded it already. So let's move on to our library. Here's the game. Now let's take our smartphone out. I'll be using Android, as I mentioned. And you'll need to download the Steam link for that. So open your Google Play Store, go for the Steam link in the search pool, hit on that app and install it. Now, while it's installing, make sure that you have the same Wi-Fi connection on both of the devices. For me, it's the same. And now it should end installation process. We'll be able to open it. Here it is. Now click on this gear icon, computers, and then Hard's MacBook Pro, because that's the device I'm streaming the game from. And in my case right now, I don't need to get any PIN code, but in your case, you might need to give a PIN code visible on your screen on the smartphone to the PC. Now let's click on Start Playing. So now here we have a PIN code again, so let's enter it, hit enter, it should connect, and now we can, after loading, we should be able to also use the Steam as it is on this device. So here we have it. Now let's navigate to resume and explore, go for the Cult of the Lamb game, hit A on it. And I would recommend using controller for that. You can also use your phone, but it might require additional setup. So let's try opening the game with A. Should launch. So there's this problem, but remind me in 15 minutes. Now we can hit X to play. The game should start. We can navigate to play. Hit A or X and the game should start. You can now freely move with a joystick right here. You can configure it by going through the options. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.